What's going on, y'all? It is Real to Dev. I am sitting down right now, and I just wanted to start recording because I'm in a workflow right now. So, thought I would take you guys in on a little bit of this workflow, and I'm pretty sure this is showing black and white. So, I'm gonna go ahead and change this to one of these different background areas. Right now, I'm playing with the hand gestures here. So let me bring you into one of these environments. This is one that I actually tend to use quite frequently. Here, just let me this button. So as you can see, this is an environment that you'd be placed in, or sitting at. This is one at a coffee shop, so this is very good for the feeling like you just popped in and went to work somewhere. But then again, the best thing about this is just being able to have multiple monitors. I mean, if you really want to go to a coffee shop, it'd be awesome to just go and pop up to one. But actually, I need to start doing that some more, actually. But if you need a bunch of monitors, you can't really bring them into a coffee shop. That wouldn't really work like that. Might not be the best idea. Or at least not the most efficient, right? Now let's go check out the conference room. That one's a pretty good one for work as well. So now we're here. We're able to look out the window. You could change seats using this little button right here. Just look for the change seat button by looking at your palm. And then these diamonds will show up, and then you pinch, and then you can show up to one of them. So you pinch down again with your fingers, you can get the screen over here. Right now in real life, my screen's a little bit far away, so I'm about to adjust this, hold my finger, and this will reorient the screen and headset to match where I'm sitting. I'll feel much more comfortable. Feels a lot better. So you use this to get our screens to show back up, and we can display our screens and get right back to the workflow. So I was using this on the Quest 2. At the time, the hand tracking would come in and out, but as you can see, I brought in my laptop, and these have gotten a lot better with the new headsets. But yeah, so you can see the projection of the laptop right in front of you, and it's really handy for sitting down and track and see where your fingers are corresponding to the keyboard, and work from in here with the virtual keyboard. It's pretty handy to be able to have that kind of just pop out to you and be a keyboard that you can really see and use. Feels really natural. So real big improvement to your accuracy while typing. So now I'm looking for this bar in the middle, and I'm gonna move this group of screens. So all of the screens displayed, all these holograms are connected to this middle bar screen, and if you pinch and grab that, you can actually move where those displays are in your space, wherever you want, right? So yeah, as you can see, I'm over here. I have LinkedIn open, and I have my emails open, and you can just drag and drop windows just as easily as if you was just using your regular monitors. So it corresponds to each location wherever you place them. So if it goes to the top, it actually knows which way you're going to be dragging them from there and getting up to, and so on and so forth. But yeah, as you can see, it's really good for getting into multiple workflows, especially if you have a good time to just sit down. You actually are able to conduct full meetings in here. You can do this with whatever teams you have set up. I mean, maybe it's people at your actual job, or maybe you have a team of people in a small company, or maybe you got a network with a specific group. people who might be using this as well. You know, like it's kind of a good way to get together with being present and feeling together and actually being able to present, share, but actually still have that presence of being around them as well at the same time. But even just for yourself, you know, the workflows are just like, okay, this is like a nice focus mode. You can really hammer out a lot of distractions and really focus on a couple of things. I mean, I feel like sometimes the space that you set yourself in, you might, you know how you work more than anyone else, right? So if you put yourself in a zone that is reminiscent of work, you got a couple of things you want to just get open at the same time, especially if you're sitting in your living room in real life, or if you're away from monitors that you can actually use conveniently. You know, being able to do this on the fly pretty much allows for that transference and just that separation. But yeah, as you can see, for me, one thing I might be doing is I might have my notes right here on the side. I can of course pop over to the notes. I can still have everything going on. If I need to reply to emails, I need to reply to messages on LinkedIn, I can have all of these going on without focusing on distractions that might be happening in the real world around me. But yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys in this video and give you a little introduction of Immerse and how to use it, make use of it, and get it used to the environments. But I'm going to go ahead and pop on out. Remember to like or sub the video on your way out. It'd be greatly appreciated. And, let me know if you guys want to see me make any more additional videos of deep diving into Immerse and its other features. But yeah, stop recording. We're just going to pinch the fingers and we'll head over to this icon and boom.